Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets innovation. And today, you're about to witness something truly extraordinary. We're diving into what might just be the most incredible bus ever created. The 2025 Quantum Cruiser X9, a futuristic, luxury machine that's rewriting the rules of road travel. At first glance, the Quantum Cruiser X9 doesn't even look like a bus. It's more like a spaceship on wheels. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, sculpted to cut through wind with almost zero drag. It's wrapped in smart glass that tints on command and features a glowing LED light strip that flows from front to back like a pulse of energy. This isn't just a bus, it's a statement. Now let's talk power. This futuristic beast is powered by a dual system. A hydrogen fuel cell combined with advanced electric motors. That means zero emissions, whisper-quiet performance, and enough torque to pull a trailer full of Teslas. It's not just efficient, it's powerful and smooth, offering a ride so quiet you can hear your thoughts. Or better yet, your playlist in crisp surround sound. The driving experience is unlike anything you've seen. The cockpit is designed for both manual and autonomous control. Drivers, or pilots, sit in a floating captain's chair, surrounded by a 360-degree OLED dash, with voice control, haptic feedback, and an AI co-pilot that helps navigate, optimize routes, and even communicates with smart cities and traffic systems. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The Quantum Cruiser X9 is a 5-star hotel, private jet, and smart home all rolled into one. The moment you enter, the lighting adjusts to your mood. Ambient scents fill the space, and soft instrumental music welcomes you in. You're surrounded by hand-stitched leather walls, bamboo flooring, and climate-controlled seating with massage functions. There's a full living room lounge with reclining chairs, a rotating smart table, and an 8K ultra-wide media screen that disappears into the wall when not in use. Need to work? There's a built-in digital office with retractable monitors, high-speed satellite internet, and even a virtual meeting booth for private calls. The kitchen is surprisingly complete. Induction cooktops, a built-in espresso bar, a dual-temperature wine fridge, and storage that's completely touchless and sensor-activated. Everything is synced through Aura, the onboard AI that learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and even handles rest stops by booking parking in advance or ordering food from partnered restaurants on the way. The sleeping quarters? Pure bliss. A memory foam king-size bed, blackout smart glass windows, a star-lit ceiling that mimics real constellations, and yes, a rainfall shower with aromatherapy and heated floors. There's even a laundry unit and walk-in closet if you're planning to live on the road for weeks. Entertainment? Oh, you're covered. Personal VR pods, built-in game consoles, streaming in 8K, and surround sound by Bang & Olufsen. And for those who travel with company, there's a second lounge in the rear, complete with a minibar and convertible seating area. And if you're wondering about storage, it's all hidden beneath the floors and walls. You've got enough room for bikes, gear, suitcases, and even a drone, which can be launched from the integrated docking bay on the roof. Yes, it has a drone bay, but this kind of rolling luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Quantum Cruiser X9 starts at an eye-watering $5.2 million. That's not just a purchase, it's an investment in freedom, status, and the most futuristic land travel experience money can buy. So here's the big question. If you had the chance, would you ride in one of these? Or even live in one full-time? Drop your answers in the comments below. I want to hear your wildest travel dreams. If you enjoyed this deep dive into futuristic luxury, hit that like button Subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review of tomorrow's most incredible machines. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, drive smart, and as always, dream big.